When looking for a particular look as a Santa Claus representative, it can be a bit confusing when it comes to suits. Is there a specific name for having fur trimmed down the middle or having balls of fluff down the front like the Tim Allen Santa Claus film? What constitutes a suit being an actual Coca-Cola style suit? What are some names of common suits and robes so we can differentiate and accurately describe what we're looking for when in the market for a new suit? There's a lot to it, trust me. I was lost for weeks. In this video, we're going to go over some common and not so common style of suits so you can be more informed when ordering a red suit. Let's call an expert on the subject. We have a well-experienced Santa ambassador currently stationed in North Carolina who specializes in high-end and high-quality Santa Claus apparel. Santa Doug, we have some questions about Santa suits we know you can help us out with. Do you have a few moments?
Sure, go ahead.
We're trying to put different names to different styles of Santa suits so that when we're in the market or, searching on the interwebs, we know the correct terms of each style of suit. Could you tell us what some of the defining characteristics of some of the most common suits are? Kind of complicated, but you know what I mean.
There's basically three major types of suits that I would say that are most predominant within the Santa community. The first one would be a traditional suit.